Good morning, students. Today we will start the general method of operations of aromatic aldehyde and ketones. Before that, already we have seen some name reaction like Stephan reaction, Rosenblum reaction. This is the aliphatic aldehydes. So first we will start from the Itard reactions. So in Itard reaction, जो toluene है, toluene is oxidized. Toluene is oxidized in the presence of chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. Toluene is oxidized in the presence of chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide to form a brown complex which is separated out, and hydrolysis of this brown complex in the presence of acid or with acid, it will give benzaldehyde. So it will form a complex, brown complex. Brown complex. Then hydrolysis of this in the presence of acid, hydrolysis of brown complex, so it will give benzaldehyde. This is the one method of operation जिसे बोला जाता है Itard reaction. Oxidation of chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride and carbon disulfide to give the brown complex. जो brown complex is separate out and hydrolyze of this brown complex in the presence of acid will give benzaldehyde. This is the first method of operation. You can write directly. You can write in short C6H5 CH3, then CrO2Cl2, then CCl4 plus H2O oblique. So you will get C6H5CHO. In short, you can write in this way. Toluene contains benzaldehyde in the presence of oxidizing agent like chromyl chloride, then carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. So this is the first method of preparations. This is the second method of preparation of aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketones. दूसरा है पास chain chlorinations followed by hydrolysis. तो this is the second method of preparations की जो आप side chain है, कंपाउंड साइड चेन्स में आप क्या करेंगे, हेलोजनेशंस करेंगे लाइक टोल्यूइन, साइड चेन ऑफ टोल्यूइन. सो क्लोरिनेशन ऑफ टोल्यूइन, सो इट विल फॉर्म बेंजल क्लोराइड फॉर्म करेगा. एंड बेंजल क्लोराइड ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस, बेंजल क्लोराइड का जब हाइड्रोलिसिस करेगा विल गेट द बेंजल्डिहाइड. दिस इज द अनदर मेथड ऑफ ऑपरेशंस ऑफ एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड. सो हियर इट विल फॉर्म benzyl chloride CaCl2, hydrolysis with water molecules in the presence of this one, this will give benzaldehyde. This is the another method of operations of aromatic aldehyde. This is the second और हम लोग बोल सकते हैं method of operations of aldehyde, aromatic aldehydes. Side chain chlorinations by followed by hydrolysis. So side chain में हमारे पास chlorinations हुआ तो हमारे पास जो compounds form होगा benzyl chloride होगा. Hydrolysis of benzyl chloride it will give benzaldehyde. And this method is the best method for manufacturing of aldehyde, benzaldehyde. जो important method है हमारे पास benzaldehyde की. Next third method is by Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is the important name reaction, Gattermann-Koch reaction. So in these reactions, benzene and its derivatives combine with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chlorides, HCl, SCO plus HCl form chloride. So carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of as a catalyst aluminum chloride to obtain benzaldehyde. So यहाँ पर जो हमारे पास COHCl है, they are forming HCOCl, formyl chloride, HCOCl, CO plus HCl, HCOCl, formyl chlorides. That's why this method is known as Gattermann-Koch formulation method. Another name, Gattermann-Koch formulation method. Why this name is given? Because when carbon monoxide treated with HCl, like the benzene and its derivatives combined with carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chlorides, so आपके पास जो मिलेगा benzaldehyde मिलेगा. Benzaldehyde is obtained, but यहाँ पर हमारे पास CO और HCl जो है it will form HCOCl formal chloride. That's why this reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch formulation. Gattermann-Koch formulation methods. That's why, because here is formal chloride is forming. Carbon monoxide, benzene and its derivatives combine with carbon monoxide with HCl in the presence of aluminum chlorides to form benzaldehyde. This method is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is the important name reaction. This is the Gattermann-Koch reaction. Method is Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reaction always takes place in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chlorides. So this is the another method of reaction, and this method is useful because by this method you are getting aromatic ketones. By this method you can prepare aromatic ketones. When benzene is treated with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chlorides, you will get acetophenone. C6H5 plus acetyl chloride CH3COCl in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Friedel-Crafts reaction always takes place in presence of anhydrous aluminum chlorides. So here C6H6 benzene, so it will form C6H5COCH3. It is known as acetophenone. Acetophenone means the complex or mixed ketone. Then from here it will give HCl. H यहाँ से और Cl यहाँ से जाएगा आपके पास. This group, when H is removed from this part, तो यहाँ पर add हो जाएगा आपके पास this part. Like this is the benzene treated with CH3COCl, anhydrous aluminum chloride. So यहाँ से यदि ये ग्रुप एड होगा तो आपके पास ऑलरेडी इसके पास हाइड्रोजन है, तो इट विल रिमूव हाइड्रोजन. Means here is one hydrogen, here is one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, and one hydrogen. So all the carbon are satisfied with the hydrogen. If you want to add this one, तो यहाँ से ये जो है हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा, then you will get COCH3. This is known acetophenone. Or C6H5, 6 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 hydrogen, then COCH3. This is known as acetophenone. Now when benzene is treated with benzyl chloride, benzene is treated with benzyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. In the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it will give benzophenone, C6H5COC6H5. This is known as simple ketone or symmetrical ketone, because both the side is same group attaching. That's why it is known as symmetrical ketone. This is an asymmetrical ketone or mixed ketone. Then HCl, biphenyl ketone or benzophenone. So this is the reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, जिसमें हमारे पास जो है aromatic ketones form हो रहा है. Aldehyde is not formed by this method. So aromatic ketones are formed by this method when you will benzene is treated with acetyl chloride or benzyl chloride. When benzene is treated with acetyl chloride, you will get acetophenone. When benzene is treated with benzyl chloride, you will get benzophenone. हमारे पास जो है simple ketone form हो रहे हैं. Reaction already we have seen. Rosenmund reaction. Rosenmund reaction, and seventh है आपके पास Stefan reaction. In both reaction already we discussed. This is the important name reaction. Reduction takes place of benzyl chloride C6H5Cl in the presence of platinum and BSO4. तो आपके पास जो होगा benzaldehyde form होगा and removing the HCl. And here is Stefan methods में आपके पास ketone form होगा. This is the important name reactions, and these are the method operations of aromatic aldehyde and ketones.